everyone, welcome back to SIMBA Oasis. Today we're going to be looking at a 5-bedroom house located in the Kingston 9 area. This house is approximately 5,800 square feet and is currently on the market at a cost of 175 million Jamaican dollars. This house consists of 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a kitchen, dining area, a sitting area, 3 living areas, an office, and an outside bar. With that in mind, let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing property. And here we are at the front of the property. So there are definitely a few things that jumps out at you. One of those, which I think is a great mention, is the stone wall, which is to the front of the property. From here you can also see the driveway. It's a pretty long driveway. You have the 2-car garage. You're seeing an excellent view of the front of the house, and you're really getting an idea of how big this property actually is. So with that in mind, we're going to go ahead and take a closer look on the inside. The first area we have is the sitting area. Next, we have the first living area. Now this is the second living area / sitting area. As you can see, they have a TV there. And then this is the third living area. Up next we have the kitchen. And this is the dining area. Followed by that, we have the study. Up next, we're going straight to the bedrooms. So here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. So this house actually has 5 bedrooms, however only 3 out of the 5 were shown. Up next we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. Third bathroom, and this is the fourth bathroom. As mentioned before, this house actually has 6 bathrooms, however only 4 out of the 6 were shown. From here we're going to head out to the balcony. So this area is a great entertainment spot. It's actually an outdoor bar, so if you want to invite your friends over, watch the game, have a little party, this is a perfect spot. Alright, so I think that brings us to the end of the interior tour of the house. We're going to head back outside. We have to take a 360 spin of this property, so we're going to do that right now. And here we are, guys. And that's it. So guys, if you are interested in this amazing property, it is currently on the market at a cost of 175 million Jamaican dollars. I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtor and also the link for this house. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.